Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important Java interview question. What are the two ways of synchronizing the code? In your Java application, you can synchronize the code. Before going to answer this question, I want to just brief about what is synchronization. In your application, if a particular data is shared between multiple threads, then you need to synchronize that particular data. For example, you have a method and that method handles or do some manipulation or calculation the data which is accessed by multiple threads. Then you need to control using synchronization so that multiple threads cannot access the thread cannot access this method at the same time. Otherwise, you will have inconsistent data in your application. That's where synchronization comes into picture. Synchronization is like controlling your shared data between multiple threads. So how do I control? And we have a locking mechanism to do that. So coming to our question, what are the two ways of synchronizing the code? Synchronizing an entire method you can do. Synchronizing a block within a method you can do. This option is optimized one because the performance will be improved because we are doing a synchronization only at the block level, not at the method level. Synchronizing an entire method by putting the synchronized modifier in the method's declaration. To execute the method, a thread must acquire the lock of the object that owns the method. Synchronizing a block within a method. Synchronize a subset of a method by surrounding the desired lines of code with curly brackets and inserting the synchronized expression before the opening curly. This allows you to synchronize the block on the lock of any object at all, not necessarily the object that owns the code. Let's see an example so that you can understand. So I have a method, thread safe method, and I have thread safe block method. So thread safe method is this one. For the entire method, I have marked as synchronized. That means whenever a thread enters this method, this will become atomic. So until the thread 1 releases a lock, no thread can enter this method. That's what synchronization keyword means. Let's go to the other method, thread safe block method. Here if you see, for the entire method we didn't put the synchronization modifier. Only for a particular lines of code within a method we have marked as synchronized. So synchronized block. So that's what we are talking about. The second option, synchronizing a block within a method. So this is also synchronization process applied. So whenever a thread enters this block, this will become atomic. That means no other thread can enter this block until the thread 1 finish these lines of code execution. Finish executing these lines of code. Okay, so these are the two ways you can synchronize the code: synchronizing entire method, synchronizing block within a method. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.